They called it just a Mustang until the Highland Green legend came alive with a 390 V8, a 5-speed roar, and a chase scene nobody ever forgot. In a world where modern machines are faster, quieter, and more controlled than ever before, there still exists a kind of car that doesn't whisper when it arrives, it announces itself. A machine that doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. And this is one of those rare survivors of pure automotive emotion. What you're looking at is the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Bullitt Tribute, a machine born from Hollywood legend, reborn through modern craftsmanship, and preserved in the most iconic shade of American performance history, Highland Green. This isn't just a restoration. It's a revival of attitude. At the heart of this machine sits the legendary Ford FE 390 cubic inch V8 engine, a motor that defined an era when horsepower wasn't measured in silence or efficiency, but in raw mechanical violence and personality. Paired with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor and aluminum intake, this engine doesn't just breathe, it growls with intention. Every press of the throttle feels immediate, mechanical, and alive, like the car is thinking right alongside the driver. Cold starts are made easier with an electric choke, but there is nothing gentle about what follows. The exhaust note doesn't politely rise, it erupts. And thanks to a new exhaust system with electric cutouts, the driver has control over the personality of this Mustang. Calm and controlled when needed, or unfiltered American thunder when unleashed. Power is nothing without control, and this build understands that balance perfectly. A Tremec 5-speed manual transmission replaces the old factory gearbox, transforming this classic into something far more usable in the modern world. The shifts are tight, mechanical, and deliberate. Every gear change feels like a conversation between man and machine, not a digital suggestion. Supporting that power is a factory-style posi-traction rear end with a 3.551 gear ratio. That means this Mustang doesn't just move, it launches with authority, gripping the pavement with confidence while still offering highway-friendly cruising. Power steering and power front disc brakes ensure that even with its raw personality, this machine remains surprisingly composed when it matters most. Visually, it's everything you expect from the Bullitt legacy and nothing you can forget. The fastback body lines stretch like a muscle flexed in motion, even when standing still. Finished in that deep, cinematic Highland Green, the car almost changes personality depending on the light. In shadows, it looks aggressive and mysterious. Under sunlight, it becomes pure vintage elegance wrapped in performance DNA. There are no unnecessary distractions here. Factory-style badging keeps it authentic. The blacked-out taillight panel adds that unmistakable Bullitt identity. Chrome trim accents the body just enough to remind you this is still a classic, not a replica of modern styling trends. American racing wheels sit perfectly under the arches, wrapped in radial blackwall tires sized 70/15, giving it that period-correct stance with just enough aggression to feel alive. But what makes this Mustang more than just a pretty silhouette is what lies beneath. Everything has been rebuilt with purpose. The floorboards are primed and clean, the kind of detail most people never see, but every serious builder respects. A new cross member and drive shaft ensure structural strength and smooth power delivery. The suspension has been refreshed to factory-style specification, preserving original feel while restoring confidence in every corner. New brake lines, fuel lines, and a fresh gas tank eliminate the weaknesses of age, replacing them with reliability you can trust on modern roads. Even the hardware has been renewed because nothing about this build was left to chance. Steeper inside, and the story continues with a pure driver-focused experience. The interior is finished in deep black, a cabin that feels more like a cockpit than a comfort zone. Bucket seats hold you in place like they were designed for purpose, not luxury. A floor-mounted shifter sits ready in your hand's natural path, reminding you that driving this machine is an active experience. not passive transportation. A three-spoke steering wheel frames the road ahead with simplicity and intent. Aftermarket gauges provide upgraded visibility into what the engine is doing at all times, while a subtle aftermarket radio adds just enough modern convenience without breaking the vintage atmosphere. Black carpeting and floor mats complete the cabin, keeping everything grounded in classic muscle car identity. And then there's the feeling, because this Mustang is not about specs alone. It's about emotion. It's the sound of the V8 echoing through tunnels. It's the vibration through the steering wheel at idle. It's the way the car feels alive even when standing still, as if it's waiting for the next open road, the next empty stretch, the next chase. This is why the Bullitt Mustang became a legend. Not because it was the fastest car of its time, but because it felt real in a world that was already beginning to lose that raw mechanical connection. Today, this 1968 Fastback continues that legacy, offered at $189,900. This is not just a purchase, it's an entry into automotive history, a machine preserved, refined, and reborn for those who understand that driving is not about convenience. It's about connection. And when that ignition turns over, history doesn't just start, it comes alive.